We're back again.
We're back. So check this out. We have this problem with this lens right here, and I don't know how good you guys can see it. FYI, we're gonna work on the lighting in here, guys. But we had this problem. This bird just continuously shits on my wife's headlight. It's just this one.
Just the headlight.
When you look over here, this headlight too is also very, what do you call that? Foggy. So we got this stuff a little while ago. This is New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. It's fast, it's easy. At least that's what the box says. So this is what came in it. At first we were trying to just find a piece of sandpaper to sand that off. Apparently this comes with sandpaper in it. And here is some directions. So we will give this to the appropriate person. And
I thought you were going to hand them to me.
Then you have this ball right here.
I don't have the...
Here's some fine sandpaper, and here is the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights formula. Doesn't seem like there's a lot in here, but it is sealed. So we're going to go ahead and crack this thing open, and we're going to read the directions and see if it works.
Start with that one first.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's see what happens.
So what?
We're trying to get the bird poop off. And we're using the fine
Kind of working.
We're just using this fine grade sandpaper to try to scuff it up a little bit and at the same time get this bird shit off. More water? Sweet!
Sorry.
That's what bird shit tastes like.
Sorry, baby.
More water?
It's all like running off the car. Maybe we should have did this before we washed the car.
That's okay. Car's still clean.
Look at it. We got it all over. So if y'all don't know, bird poop has an acid in it that will eat your paint.
It'll eat it?
It'll eat the paint. That's what I just seen on YouTube. Not like deep, but...
Looks like we're gonna have to change batteries here, guys.
Uh-oh.
But we did get most of it off. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna change tips.
I'm the first nigga to reach out, help out. I'm the first nigga to hand out. Everybody standing around with their hand out. Like he won't blow.
Or maybe get a new battery.
Maybe.
Get a new battery.
You acting petty, get paid. My girl's in the 350 cause she slid with me. When the shit was kinda shitty, didn't have a pin. We was sleeping on the floor at my mama's house.
Real niggas know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I ain't wanna talk, I'm about to walk it out.
Because this is pretty tough. It's been on there for a while. We couldn't figure out really how to get it off. But I would hate to use a coarser sandpaper because then it'll scratch the shit out of my headlight.
Ain't no love, ho.
He don't ever listen.
No love.
Well, we gotta get down a little deeper, baby.
A little deeper.
We gotta get a little
Yeah,
deeper.
it's on there pretty good.
Niggas trying to make big money like a narc.
I think this is 1500 grit
Trying to make it legal.
sandpaper.
Which is very fine.
Very fine.
Keep it 100 like two
Alright.
eagles on two lethal.
Get your ass kicked twice like it was 2P. 3 years out, we enjoy the sequel. Still ain't no love.
And you do want to use water. You want to wet sand it.
Ain't no love, bro. Ain't no love, though. Yeah. No motherfucking love.
That might have been from where you used the other sandpaper.
No, we ate into that a little bit too much. Water.
Now you owe me a new headlight.
What?
It looks like it's like smudging.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so we tried to go a little deeper to get that out. We got a lot of it off, but it didn't get the bird poop all the way out. So I think we're gonna have to. You want to go a little bit deeper? You want to give it a shot?
I mean, it needs to come off.
Correct. That's my thoughts on it.
I'm
It
sorry,
doesn't-
I was focused on your chest.
It does need to come. It does need to come off a little. But if we have to change the headlight out, we might as well do everything we can to fix this one, right?
Right.
So let's see.
Where's the other little thing?
All right, so she's working on this lens still. Is that a drain in the middle of your garage?
Yes, why wouldn't you?
Ant's garage.
Yes, garage.
So what are you doing now with the drill?
I am using the fine sand paper, I guess, to try to kind of like buff it. To get the haze out of it. You're so much better at this.
Looks like you're doing pretty good though, babe.
No.
We were actually considering getting new lenses. We just wanted to try this product beforehand to see if we can get some of the haze out of So what size sandpaper is that?
This is 1500 grade.
1500 grit.
1500 grit, yeah.
So it's pretty fine.
It's pretty fine.
And you're just kind of smoothing out whatever divots in there and getting that film of oxidation off?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
It did look better.
So you think it looked better?
It compared to what it was, yes.
We couldn't get all the bird crap off of this one, but it does look better than what it did. Also, right here, I think I went a little bit too deep right there, and I think I scratched the lens just a little bit. What are you looking for?
Right.
There's one right there. Nice.
It does look a lot better.
Looks a lot better.
Hazy. We're, like you said, we are just trying it because to see if we can save the headlights. But honestly, I think once I get the wrap, I'm probably gonna want to replace the headlights anyway. So
we're gonna have to figure out how to get some headlights
out. Yeah, you can kind of see though the circular in this one.
Okay.
From the sandpaper.
All right. So, what are some of the things that you've done to this car over the last couple of days?
Oh my God. Y'all, he has had me up underneath this car.
Doing everything?
Doing everything.
So we changed out the alternator. We changed out the battery.
We changed the battery. Then we changed out the alternator. And then the alternator was a whole fiasco.
That was a lot.
YouTube lies sometimes, y'all. Or they don't give you all the details. But yeah.
All right, let's get this buffed out. Where's the buffing stuff? Over there?
I'm back in this trap, though. Shit's a trap back.
Needless to say, he must be
Or you could just wash your car and keep it clean consistently. But even just looking at it from right here, that other light does look a lot better.
It does look a lot better. The bird poop on it isn't so prominent.
I think I need some more of that wax stuff. That looks way better though.
Just
that one little spot. So you're supposed to put a
nickel-sized amount. Don't believe what they say in the directions.
Okay. I guess you want y'all to hold that for her. Nice and slow back in the trap.
I'm just mad because we literally just washed her and she was so pretty. Now she looks all smudgy.
She really don't. She looks great. Just go nice and slow till you get it all kind of worked in, and you can speed it up. Nice and slow. Now let it rip and go and buff it in. You okay?
My hand just hurts.
You want me to get it?
No, I can get it.
It does look a lot better.
Yeah, it does.
And it's funny because we've had this kit for how many years?
3 years.
That's
We've
crazy.
had the car for 3
Here,
years.
let me get this a shot real quick.
Just because women like power tools doesn't mean that we were meant to use them consistently. It does look better.
A lot better.
I still want new ones though. Then you're supposed to take a microfiber and clean them. It actually does look a lot better.
It does. All right, let's get the
The
microfiber
little
on.
swirly marks are not really in there. You can kind of see them, but I think that's just the polish.
Correct. Microfiber. And they said for best results to keep flipping it over.
It does look a lot better. It's still a little bit hazy, but this is an old car.
Correct.
And the oxidization
It's kind of deep one.
on it was pretty deep. So, but compared to what it was,
Compared to what it was. So that's going to conclude our broadcast, but you guys see the after, and of course you guys seen the before. So this was new lens repair kit that we tried on the Mercedes. I'm going to give you my take on it. This one is a thumbs down. It did make it look better, but it did not repair the lens. Not only that, it was kind of touch and go. I feel like I damaged the car a little bit from the directions that they gave me. Not in a bad way, I'm not tripping, but if I had to give a all over review on this particular product, let me get the box. Yeah, so this is new lens, headlight renewal kit, and we gave it a shot. I can say it definitely made the headlight look better. It definitely made the headlight look better. Over here, it had a lot of bird poop on here, and it was very difficult to get the bird poop off, but we got some of it off, and we got a lot of that haze outside of the winch, outside of the headlight. So I think maybe we might try it again, and we have another product that was actually donated by a channel supporter. So we're gonna pull that out. We're gonna compare that one compared to this one. So y'all stay tuned. If you got anything, if you learned anything like not to use new lens, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come on back to Ant's Garage.